Hello everyone, welcome back to Aruraka Legal Institute. In this today's video, we will discuss the exceptions of the section 2 of the interterritorial jurisdiction. It is that the President, Embassy, Prisoner in War and the Arms Act are not covered under section 2, that in the interterritorial jurisdiction. Section 5, which is related to the Army, Navy officer when they have done the mutiny or the desertion. For example, the waging war against India, and this is governed by their special and local law. कोई भी आर्मी का बंदा या नेवी का बंदा म्यूटिनी या डिजर्शन किसी भी ग्राउंड पे स्टेट के साथ कोई भी ऑफेंस रिलेटेड करता है तो उसको उसके स्पेशल या लोकल लॉ के अकॉर्डिंग गवर्न किया जाएगा, not according to the IPC. This is the famous maxim in the IPC that the generally are specially cus non derogant, which means the general law not repeal special law. कभी भी जनरल लॉ लाइक द IPC वो स्पेशल लॉ को रिपील नहीं कर सकता. Then the section 41 and 42 define the special law and the local law. Special law is that which related to the particular subject. For example, the NDPS and Motor Vehicle Act is the example of the special law. Local law is related to the which is applicable to the particular part of the area. वो उसी part में apply होता है, not in the other part. Then next is the pre-means. Please question of the previous year पहले आया हुआ है क्वेश्चन that does IPC repeal any special or local law? So the answer is no. Then there is the famous case of the Madhav Prasad case, which is called the Madhya Bharat case. In this held that there is no special law and the local law repealed, suspended and enacted unless the legislature has been warned. Section 5 IPC is related that the special law and the local law override the IPC. Then the question has been come that how the offender has been punished if the act follows more than the one enactment. So there is the section 26 of the General Clauses Act, which mention that when act follows under the one or two enactments, then the offender has punished any of those enactments which the offender has not punished twice. किसी एक में उसे पनिश किया जाता है बट उसे दो में पनिश नहीं किया जा सकता. Then there is a case of the Oath Bar Association Lucknow versus Emperor 1930. In this case it was held that if act is come under the two or more enactments, then it must be tried according to the special law.